Ready.
All right, so when you're vacuuming, and let's say you're like, all right, let me do the floors now. I want to do like a shine on the floor. So here's what you do. You're going to use the middle pipe. So you push the button right here. That'll disengage it. Okay. And then this is the actual sprayer for the actual floors. All right. And I gave you some solution on here, but when you run out, we have more at the store. So what you do is you pull this bottle out. You're going to fill it almost to the top with water. And then what you do is then you just give it a couple of squirts of this right here, the little bottle. It has a squirt hole on the top, so open it and give it like 5 squirts and you're good for the floors. Then what you do is when you put this one back, do me a favor, watch this, just give it a little tap. What that does is an O-ring, it grabs it is basically what it does, okay? And then for the big floor like this, you have pergo laminate. This is the big pad. You get 2 of these pads. This is the first one. You can clean the floors and then you can rinse it with the other pad. Once you do that, it's ready to go. Now, if you look up here, up on the top, see this right here? See if you can put the video up on the top. And then that's the trigger, okay?
To release the water.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the water sprays out right here. By the way, nothing happens unless you press that trigger.
Okay.
The only difference with mopping, you're not going to put water in the machine. It's empty, and the reason is because any excess water you suck up, it's going to go into the water reservoir. So what you do is you spray the trigger, give it some enough, not a lot, because for pergo they say not to wet a lot, but what you do is spray it, it's a mister, and then take your finger off of it, and now just give it a sheen. And give
All right,
it a
so
shine.
you're saying don't put water in
The machine, yeah. So the basin is going to be completely empty. So the only time you don't put water in the machine, number 1, is when you're sucking up water, which is mopping. Or number 2, let's say a pipe broke or something, you want to use it to pick up water, you do so. Other than that, the water is your filter. So you want water in the machine. The only time you don't is when you're actually mopping the floors. Now take this head off, okay, after you do that. You could also do, if you got the tile, check this out, it's pretty cool. So this has a scrub brush, and it also, see right here? So it has a scrub brush. These are for not linoleum floors or tile. And it also has a squeegee. So what you do, the only difference is you put this one and you press the trigger, the water is gonna come out. You scrub it. Remember, nothing happens until you turn the machine on. So if you don't turn the machine on, that trigger won't work. So it's spraying water down, okay? And then you scrub it. This is for linoleum or tile. And then listen to this. Turn to the squeegee. And when you pull towards you, it leaves the floors completely dry. 0 water gets left, so it sucks up all the water. The only tip I give you on this is pull towards you. If you push the water, you'll see it'll get pushed. So what you do is you pull towards you, and then that'll suck up the water. The mouth is in the back on this one. And there it is. So that's the one for actually mopping your floors. All right, so we can stop it on there. Okay, cool. So I'll put this one here. Okay. And then I tell people when you're done, let's say you did the solution with the one I gave you. When you're done, just put clean water here. Flush this out, put clean water on, and watch. Just do this. Put like halfway. You don't even have to put a lot. And then just flush it. So you go to the sink and just turn the machine on, press the trigger. And what that's doing, it's rinsing out the soap out of inside the little reservoir. All right, so that is actually for the floors. So this is the solution we use. We have 2 kinds at the store. We have what's called a floor cleaner, which is this one here. But then we also have what's called like a shine. And what that does, that actually gives it a shine on the actual floors. So that's on that one there.
Yeah, and what does that cost?
It's a little bottle like this. It's probably like $8, but it's actually it'll last you a long time because you're only adding a little bit to it, okay? So that's on there. So we can stop it there, and that's actually for